Exercise boosts brain power. Aaron Chavez, Elizabeth Plantek, Maddie McCann, Jaxx Smith. Moderate exercise not only benefits the heart, the bones, and muscles, but it also boosts brain function. Jack LaLanne, a man who had the ability to swim while towing 70 boats at the age of 70, was not only a fitness guru, but also very alert even by the time he was 90. LaLanne's exercise abilities, along with his mental sharpness, answers the question, is there a relationship between exercise and mental health? The answer, it turns out, is yes. Through exercise, the mind can be sharpened. Daily exercise is an everyday benefiting task as it increases cognitive capacity, which directly affects memory and the production of compounds such as BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which stimulates the production of neurons and synapses. Both neurogenesis and synapse formation boost learning and memory. The benefits of exercise on the brain. Exercise boosts some of the functions of the brain because it protects brain neurons by supplying them a sufficient amount of oxygen. Survival of the fittest. Evolutionary history shows one main fact that every paleoanthropologist on the planet accepts can be summarized into two words: we moved. Our ancestors walked many miles a day, which requires a lot of grit and shows that the human brain became the most powerful in the world under conditions where motion was a constant presence. While constantly moving, it's been shown that our brains respond in a positive way. The presence or absence of a sluggish lifestyle is one of the greatest predictors of successful aging. If a more active life is lived, the aging process will be more generous compared to the inactive lifestyle where aging might not let one see their 70th birthday. Exercise aids cardiovascular fitness, and because the cardiovascular fitness is improved, the risk for heart disease or stroke is decreased. Additionally, comparing a couch potato with one who exercises will show that exercisers outperform couch potatoes in tests that measure long-term memory, reasoning, attention, and problem-solving skills. A study performed by the University of California at Irvine's Institute for Brain Aging and Dementia found brain-boosting neurotrophins can be increased by just a half hour of moderate exercise, such as walking. Neurotrophins are proteins that speed up the development, survival, and functions of neurons. Having more neurotrophins will increase the amount of neurons, which send impulses to nerves.
Continuing on exercise, researchers have learned that dancing really challenges the mind. While dancing, you have to think about moves, patterns, and steps. So you're challenging your mind and sharpening your mental powers and memory. Along with dancing, aerobics are also key to a healthier lifestyle. Aerobic exercise seems to be the key. With Alzheimer's, the effect is even greater. Such exercise reduces your odds of getting the disease by more than 60%.
Aerobic exercises improve the productivity of the body's cardiovascular system, which lessens the possibility of heart disease or stroke, as well as maintain mental health. For both depression and anxiety, exercise is beneficial immediately and over the long term. Exercise releases the dopamine, or happy chemical, in the brain, causing the depression and anxiety to decrease. Exercise aids the cardiovascular fitness and lessens the possibility of Alzheimer's, while meditation thickens the regions that control attention and process sensory signals from the outside world. Meditation causes the brain processes to be strengthened, which helps alertness. Exercise is great for your brain because it enhances functions of the mind. Exercise increases cognitive capacity as well as sends more blood to the brain, increasing the oxygen flow. Alternatively, meditation, which is exercise for the brain, will strengthen the control, attention, and process sensory signal, keeping the mind alert and on focus.